The fascinating journey to the kingdom of extraordinary machines. Have you ever wondered what extraordinary power lies behind skyscrapers, winding roads, or the swift cars zooming by? Join us on a thrilling journey to the kingdom of incredible machines, where colossal machinery and tiny robots create wonders in our world. Transforming tree trunks into beautiful wood products for consumers is a fascinating journey. The wood undergoes an exciting transformation from raw tree trunks in the forest to become smooth, finished lumber ready for construction projects and furniture manufacturing. Sawmills are crucial in this journey, transforming logs into helpful wood products. The wood production process in the mill involves several continuous steps, from debarking, sawing, processing, drying, sorting, packaging, and transportation. Each step contributes to the quality and value of the final wood products that reach consumers' hands. The next trencher. D250 is a trenching attachment designed to be mounted on excavators, providing an efficient solution for trenching projects in urban environments. With the capability to dig trenches up to 80 centimeters deep and 25 centimeters wide, the D250 meets diverse needs for installing pipelines and utilities. Combined with a disc cutting system, it creates precise and sharp trenches according to design requirements, minimizing damage to the surrounding sidewalks. The enclosed design of the D250 helps reduce disruption to the work area and traffic flow, ensuring safety and environmental cleanliness. Additionally, the D250 effectively handles rocky terrain, and its flexible rotation system allows for easy connection of secondary pipelines to the main pipeline. Options for debris removal include conveyor belts or vacuum systems. With these outstanding features, the next trencher, D250, is the optimal choice for urban pipeline construction contractors, enhancing project efficiency and quality while ensuring safety and environmental protection. The Liebherr 964 is used for material handling and mining operations, boasting exceptional power and impressive operational efficiency. This excavator has numerous outstanding features, making it a top choice for high-performance tasks. Its powerful 563 horsepower diesel engine and substantial torque of 2,900 nanometers enable the Liebherr 964 to efficiently excavate, load, and quickly move large quantities of materials. A 12-meter-long hydraulic boom with a reach of 7 meters and 360-degree rotation capability allows the Liebherr 964 to access any construction position effortlessly. Alongside a 5 cubic meter bucket, the Liebherr 964 can excavate large amounts of material in each cycle, enhancing construction efficiency. The Liebherr R960 high-reach excavator is a heavy-duty demolition tool with impressive power and reach designed to tackle the most challenging projects, particularly those requiring significant height. With an engine output of up to 600 horsepower and a digging height of up to 50 meters, this machine meets the demands of demolishing high-rise buildings and urban redevelopment. Equipped with advanced safety systems and a comfortable control cabin, this excavator ensures safety and efficiency in all construction and demolition tasks. Liebherr is a leading brand known for specialized products tailored to unique job requirements. The John Deere X-Series Combine Harvester is designed to meet high productivity and harvesting quality demands. With efficient operation across various types of corn and wheat, this machine helps increase harvest yield and ensure seed quality. Notably, the X-Series saves fuel while maintaining high performance. The spacious and comfortable cabin provides convenience for operators, while integrated precision agriculture technologies optimize the harvesting process. With the continuous development of the economy, one cannot overlook the type of machine that plays a crucial role in the world of agriculture. Can you guess what that machine might be? The Fendt 927 is a perfect choice for farmers. Equipped with a manned 6-cylinder engine with a displacement of 9.6 liters, this machine boasts a power output of up to 420 horsepower and a torque of 1,950 nanometers. Fendt's latest Vario CVT transmission system delivers flexible and efficient operation. The independent suspension system enhances traction and reduces vibrations. The spacious cabin with numerous amenities ensures operator comfort. Advanced technologies like GPS and automatic guidance systems optimize work efficiency. The Belaz 75710 is an extraordinary mining haul truck, leading the list of the world's most oversized vehicles with immense power and size. With a length of up to 20.6 meters and a weight of up to 360 tons, this truck can transport loads of up to 496 tons, enhancing productivity and reducing operational costs. Equipped with modern control systems and advanced safety features, the Belaz 75710 operates reliably in the harsh environments of mining sites. The Vermeer TG7000 is a powerful tub grinder designed to efficiently process organic materials such as tree branches, wood chips, and straws. It features robust steel blades and a strong rotor system capable of quickly pulverizing materials. With a loading hopper size of 1.83 meters by 2.45 meters, and a finished product size ranging from 0.64 centimeters to 5.08 centimeters, the Vermeer TG7000 can handle a wide range of organic materials, from large tree branches to small wood chips with high efficiency, processing up to 30 tons per hour. Additionally, the machine helps reduce organic waste by producing organic fertilizer and biofuel, thereby saving waste disposal costs and protecting the environment. The Komatsu D65 dozer is used in the new industrial zone of Hammersdale, South Africa, for leveling operations. This powerful bulldozer features a Komatsu SAA 6D125E5 diesel engine with 168 horsepower and a high torque of 660 nanometers. Its wide 4.06 meter blade enables precise leveling even on steep terrain. The robust hydraulic drive system allows the Komatsu D65 dozer to maneuver easily on uneven and rugged terrain. The spacious and comfortable cabin offers panoramic visibility and straightforward controls to support the operator. Do you find these machines impressive? Comment number 1 to support the heavy machinery community. The John Deere snowblower is a versatile line of snow removal machines from the renowned brand John Deere. Thanks to these machines, clearing snow-covered roads in winter becomes simpler. Equipped with powerful engines ranging from 21 to 30 horsepower, they can quickly handle thick and frozen snow. Throwing snow up to 50 feet horizontally and 25 feet vertically helps clear even deep snow layers. The snow gathering speed reaches up to 12 feet per second, saving time and effort in removing snow. The Easy Start system ensures quick engine startup even in very low temperatures. However, considering the high cost, you should consider your usage needs and budget before owning one of these machines. The MRS-20 rock saw is a stone-cutting machine from the renowned brand AME Attachments, known for its efficient rock-cutting capabilities. The machine has a powerful engine delivering up to 15 horsepower, making cutting through various types of hard and thick stones easy. It offers versatile cutting options with different blade sizes ranging from 40 millimeters to 180 millimeters, allowing for precisely separating stone blocks into desired sizes. It has a cutting depth of up to 1200 millimeters and is suitable for large stone blocks. The engineering excavator grader blade is an efficient flat grading attachment for excavators, facilitating quick land leveling. The blade is high-strength steel, ensuring durability and excellent load-bearing capacity. Its box design with reinforced ribs enhances stiffness and stability. The grader blade can be adjusted for tilt and height, making it easy to use and cost-effective. NextTrencher is a reputable trenching machine brand with 30 years of experience specializing in designing, manufacturing, and using various trenching machines. NextTrencher's products stand out with detailed and optimized trenching solutions, which are particularly suitable for abrasive terrain and hard rock. The trenching machines come in various sizes, from small trenches of 1.2 m to large trenches of 3 m wide and depths up to 5.5 meters. Additionally, the company is committed to bringing innovations to ensure efficient machine operation for its customers. The Fuchs MHL 350 is a renowned long-reach excavator known for its efficient material handling capabilities. It boasts a strong lifting capacity of up to 35 tons and an impressive reach of up to 17 meters, coupled with a powerful 400 horsepower engine, making it easy for the machine to grasp and transport scrap materials into recycling containers. The Podadora Model SL1 is a tree pruning machine designed to trim branches, thick bushes, and landscaping trees. This machine is renowned for its precise cutting ability and user-friendly operation. With a cutting diameter of up to 15 meters and sharp blade length, it efficiently removes deep-seated and dry branches in extensive gardens, saving time. In addition to tree pruning, it cleans up forest edges and landscapes. The Caterpillar Woodcracker C550 USA, manufactured by Westech, combines a tree cutting machine with a wood splitting tool to create an advanced wood harvesting tool that offers high efficiency and safety. This system incorporates a tree cutting machine with sharp dual blades capable of cutting branches up to 50 centimeters thick and a wood splitting machine with a powerful splitting force of 550 tons, making it much easier to handle more giant trees. The Tub Grinder TG7000 is a powerful beast in wood waste processing. Designed for demanding tasks such as land clearing, organic waste recycling, and reducing wood waste volume. Its power comes from a C27 Tier 4F engine producing 950 horsepower. The Duplex Series 2 cutting system features 10 hammers, 20 double-bolt cutting blocks, and a discharge conveyor extending up to 30 meters. As a result, the machine can process up to 300 tons of material per hour, turning bulky wood blocks into compact pieces. An optional magnet on the conveyor helps remove ferrous metals, ensuring product quality and protecting equipment. TJercat 480B, a powerful crusher, excels in crushing capabilities and stands out with its ability to clear forests to prevent forest fires. Its efficient operation with sharp grinding head placed at the front fascinates enthusiasts. These cutting blades help the machine penetrate deep into the forest and protect the surrounding environment. With high performance and stable operation in challenging conditions, the TJercat 480B becomes a reliable partner in milling tasks, protecting forests and preventing the risk of wildfires. Its sturdy arms and superior lifting capacity turn each log into small, easy to transport and stackable pieces. What's remarkable is that it works quickly and accurately, transporting thousands of records quickly and efficiently. The feeling of inspiration comes from great strength and the ability to organize and carry out tasks with precision and flexibility. The Caterpillar 5090B excavator is not only a powerful tool, but also a symbol of strength and sophistication in the excavator industry. Considered one of the world's most massive excavators, it offers a marvel of engineering and cutting-edge technology. With a large bucket capacity, the 5090B can effectively handle many different types of materials. The uniqueness of the machine lies not only in its power, but also in its flexibility and accuracy in the digging process. Its intelligent control system and advanced technology allow it to excel on any terrain and in any mission. Yes, the Agrifac Condor Vanguard sprayer is a symbol of innovation and smart technology in the agricultural sector. With its sophisticated design and flexible adjustment capabilities, Condor Vanguard is not only a powerful medicine tool, but also a smart spray system with many advanced features. Automatic testing system, address sensor and ability to connect to GPS systems help the machine operate effectively and accurately. This benefits rural people, helps optimize spraying work, reduces waste, and protects the environment. Automatic selective sorrel control with RumboJet 880 from Allgäu Automation is a modern solution to combat sorrel weeds in green fields. This technology can use an advanced camera system to identify sorrel plants and apply precise spraying through independently adjustable nozzles. This process is carried out automatically, effectively dealing with each type of sorrel weed. This helps reduce herbicide use and improve the overall efficiency of pasture maintenance. The Lemken Veriteton tractor is a symbol of modernity and optimal efficiency. Designed to work seamlessly with the powerful Case Rotrack 340, it delivers the ultimate in precision and performance during plowing. This duo not only embodies advanced agricultural technology, but also symbolizes strength and precision in all modern agricultural work. The next machine I want to introduce is the TigerCat 1075B Scarifier, an effective tool in supporting reclamation and afforestation. Of particular note here is the Mark Barretning Brachy Forest M36B, an efficient device used in land cultivation and tillage. With its specialized design, it can overcome hills and challenging terrain. Brachy Forest, a professional manufacturer of agricultural and forestry machinery, produces the M36B. Outstanding features of M36B include the ability to flatten and level the soil surface, creating optimal conditions for plants to grow. Machines today are an important part of the world where development and demand for machines are increasing day by day. If you find this content interesting, please leave a like and don't forget to press the follow button. Subscribe to the channel to explore great machines with us. The plowing of the Claas Zarian 5000 and Gregoire Besson 16 is an impressive sight in agriculture. The Claas Zarian 5000, with its power and versatility combined with the Gregoire Besson 16 track plow, creates miracles in land farming. Claas Zarian 5000 is a machine equipped with a powerful engine capable of flexible maneuvering on any terrain. This equipment can plow deeply and widely with the Gregoire Besson 16 furrow plow, optimizing the soil preparation process for the upcoming planting season. Claas officially introduced the new car model, 12 Series vertical bar, Claas Zarian 12,650 inches, with a powerful capacity of up to 653 PS, bringing this car line to a new level. The unique and powerful design of the Zarian 12650 is a significant step forward compared to its predecessor, the Zarian 5000. Weighing 29 tons and equipped with a comprehensive bandlaufwerk system, the vehicle distributes weight evenly across 4 tracks. Each track is more than 900 mm wide. This model is unique in Germany, and due to its large size, the Zarian 12650 will not have a wheeled version in this market. TerraTrack, the special gear system on the bunker shredder, is not just a simple innovation but also an impressive symbol of innovation. With its exclusive design, it not only delivers the highest priority chemical performance, but also provides stability and versatility on all terrains. This is not only an improvement but also a new standard set in the industry. The CAT 623G lifting scraper, distinguished by its outstanding power and great versatility, is turning heads when operating in a limestone quarry. With its weight and powerful capacity, this machine has become a symbol of strength and efficiency in the mining industry. This is especially important when working in hilly and challenging terrain. CAT 623G is not just an ordinary miner, but also a symbol of flexibility and stability, delivering outstanding performance for every project. Deka's hydraulic slat track system significantly advances the transportation and construction industries. With the ability to adjust and maintain vehicle stability on all terrains, slat tracks bring safety and improves working efficiency. Designed to adapt to the engine and weight of the vehicle, the system provides maximum flexibility and control. Reducing the load on road structures will protect infrastructure and help reduce the risk of accidents and vehicle wear and tear. The Altec EC 175-5 SFG has a jib crane with saw blade and clamp assembly. The vehicle uses a Freightliner chassis with a 33,000-pound limit and is equipped with a wooden box to hold cut wood. Flexible and extendable effer cranes allow movement in many different directions. The blade is capable of continuous 360-degree rotation, can open up to 33 inches, dig up to 14 inches deep, and lift a maximum load of 3,300 pounds. Radio remote control helps the vehicle operate conveniently from afar. In the skillful hands of these heavy machines, the experience becomes complex and impressive. The power and outstanding performance they demonstrate creates an unbelievable feeling, with images so impressive that they are difficult to put into words. Join us to discover more about the power and class of these monsters. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the following impressive images on this journey.